we now say data analysis, it means a detailed examination of your data. So by identify patterns from that data to get insight from the data. So that is data analysis. So if you look at the definition, data analysis means process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information. So informing conclusions and supporting decision making. So all these, those that are in red color, so those are the process in data analysis. That is, if you have your data on ground, so you will need to inspect it. So we call it EDA, exploratory data analysis. So you need to explore your data to know the pattern of the data, the structure of the data. So what are the data types you have in that data set? So is that data has missing values? Is there any duplicates in that data? So that is inspecting. That is to do the exploratory data analysis. So then when you explore your data, so the next thing is to clean it. So you have to clean the data, because if you use unclean data to do your analysis, you may not get the accurate result. So you have to clean your data. So those are the things that we are going to look into. So now, then transforming, modeling data, then discovering useful information. So these are the process in data analysis. So some people used to maybe picking data analysis as what as system analysis. So both are different. So both are different. So you need to understand what we call system analysis and data analysis. Then we also have data science. So data science is different from data analytics, or you call it data analysis. So, and also data analysis is also different from system analysis. So I defined system analysis as what focuses on understanding and improving systems. So as a system analyst, the work of system analyst is to understand the system, the existing system. So then come up with improving system. So that is work of the system analyst. So they will inspect the existing system, so and come up with improving one. Then requirements to use for the proposed system. So that is the work of system analyst. So, but for data analysts, so their own is to focus on examining data and extract insights. So that is the work of a data analyst. But data science is more advanced than data analysis. So data science combines elements of both system analysis and data analysis. So to be a data scientist, so you will need the knowledge of programming. Okay, you need knowledge of machine learning. So because apart from analyzing data, so as a data scientist, you should be able to build a model, to predict, to build a model, to classify. So that is different between a data scientist, a data analyst, and a system analyst. Then we also have some other roles in data ecosystems. So we have data engineer. So data engineer, their own job is to get data, to convert raw data into what are usable one. So that is the work of a data engineer. So data analysis is what to generate insights and advise a stakeholder and on next thing to do. So for data science, they use data analytics and data engineering to predict the future using what? Data from the past. Then we also have business analysts. So now, what are the roles as a data analyst? So what are the roles that you are going to play as a data analyst? So first thing is that you must know how to collect data. So when you have your data, then you should be able to analyze that data by identifying patterns, trends, and insights in that data, so that you'll be able to inform business decisions. So first thing is to know how to collect data. Either you use SQL to extract data from the database, or you download a data online, or you use web scraping to scrap the data, or maybe a data engineer has collected the data, and they now data engineer will now transfer that data to data analyst to analyze. So second thing is using statistical tools and techniques to draw insight from the data. So that is a part of roles as a data analyst. Then third one is developing and implementing data collection systems and other strategies that optimize efficiency and data quality. So by using SQL and web scraping. So all these, they are the roles for data analysts, then collaborating with other teams to identify business needs. So you need to work with digital marketers, business analysts to understand the business pattern, so that in order to come up with insights. So then when you have your insights, so you must know how to communicate the findings and insights to stakeholders in a clear and actionable way. So third one is to get comfortable with math and statistics, because as a data analyst, you will use some statistical concepts like a median, mean, mode, and variance, standard deviations. So you need a little knowledge of math and statistics. So as a data analyst, so then you need to master Excel for data analysis. You must know how to use some functions and formulas in Excel to clean your data. So you must know how to use a pivot table, pivot chart to display your analysis, to visualize your analysis. So you need a knowledge of Excel, then master SQL for data extraction. So you must know how to use SQL, which is structured query language. So I've mentioned it other times that you need a knowledge of SQL to extract data from the database in order to analyze the data. So, and this SQL is more than just running basic queries like select from. So we need to know some advanced SQL functions like joining 2 tables or 3 tables together. So you need a knowledge of SQL. Then Python. Well, as a data analyst, you may not need Python programming. At times, you may need it. So it depends on the organization you are working with. Some organizations prefer using Python to do their analysis. So as a data analyst, so it is better you have a little knowledge of Python, maybe for cleaning or for little analysis. So, but most of data analysts, what they normally use is a Microsoft Excel, SQL, Power BI for visualization, or Tableau. So, but if you know Python, is another advantage. So, you may need it. It depends on the organization you are working with. Then master a data visualization tool. So either Power BI or Tableau, because to to show the stakeholders or maybe non-technical people to show them your analysis. So you need to visualize it. Maybe using interactive charts, graphs, dashboard to display your analysis so that they will be able to understand it. So you need knowledge of visualization tool. Then soft skill. So soft skills like problem solving, communication, adaptability, critical thinking, so time management, interpersonal. So you need all these skills. So as a data analyst. So then last one is a network with other data analysts and developers. So after you have acquired all these technical skills and soft skills, so you know how to use Microsoft Excel, you know how to use SQL, you know how to use Power BI, you know how to use Tableau. So in order to get job or to get any opportunities, so you need to network. Maybe attending industry events. So from there, you meet people, other data analysts. So apart from that, join our online communities. So we have different communities online, like DSN. I don't know if anyone know of DSN, Data Science Nigeria. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Do you
Sir,
know, do you know of
we
any?
can hear you, sir.
Okay. We have different organization, data organization, so like DSN, so Data Science Nigeria. So you need to join all these organizations. So from there, you'll be able to network with people. Okay. So we have some other online groups on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Telegram. So I will try to get links for those groups. So I'll send it to you on our group so that we join those group to get opportunities, then learn more from other people. Okay, then reach out to others. So don't be afraid to reach out to other data analysts and developers. Okay, so whether through social media or email, so or in person. So if you know of any other data analyst, so try to network with that person to gain more knowledge from that person. So all these they have a roadmap to be a data analyst. Okay, so now we now start with Microsoft Excel. So this slide, I will share it with you so that if I want to extract some useful information from it, so we'll be able to do that. Now,